Hello and welcome back to my awesome channel. I'm going to play I Am Alive, but first of all I'm going to say a few sentimental things. Trust me, it's not going to be too long, but I just want to say it. To my 3 subscribers, you're amazing. Thanks for subscribing. For the 2 comments, thanks for the 2 comments, and also thanks for the 7 likes on my videos. That's wow, that's awesome. For the 1 dislike on my first video, it's like, yeah, you know, that's your opinion, dude, you know, that's your opinion. But okay, second of all, to my manager, because yes, I have a manager, that's how I like to call her in my videos. Not in real life, you know, that's stupid. Just in my videos. I want to say I love you very much, and thanks for your support and your encouragement and stuff like that. So I love you very much. Now go make me a sandwich and my. No, kidding. No, I really love her. Okay. So now I said that I'm going easy. It's the first time I play this and I really suck at games, so I'm just going for normal. That's okay. So hold. Oh. Tap the mouse button to run. That's going to be fun. Wow, what the fuck is that? Wow. Who is that? Is that me? Am I a girl? It's a girl. I'm a girl. No, I'm... Okay.
Test.
Or maybe that's me. That's me.
Wow. It works. This is a little awkward for me, but if you found this, then that means... Anyway, if you could try to deliver this video recorder to my home. That's in Havington, 27 Arbor Street. It's right in front of the park, and, well, maybe, just maybe, someone will be there.
Just do it yourself?
Okay, this is basically my life. My backpack, climbing harness,
important,
flashlight, a couple of batteries, a pistol.
Pistol.
I've never even fired a gun before. Anyway.
How did you get a pistol?
So
no bullets?
I can't believe I'm about to arrive. It's been almost a year now since the event.
What happened?
It only took me 4 hours to fly out east. The better part of a year to walk home. With any luck, I'll be back at our apartment in another couple of hours. I saw a lot of damage on the way here, but this looks different. There's more dust than anywhere I've seen. I wonder what it looks like inside the city. I know it's crazy, but I just have this feeling that I'll find you. Julie, without you and Mary, none of this makes any sense. Almost home. See you soon.
Oh, that was so beautiful. Oh, that was so romantic and heartbreaking. Oh yeah, so it was me.
I wonder if our apartment is still there.
Let's see. Okay, we can run. Awesome. So, what do we have here? Can we jump? We cannot jump.
Havington traffic. Oh, I missed it.
We cannot jump. Why the fuck not? Everybody can jump. Every game has a jump button. And it's always space. Okay. Can I steal a car? I can at least open it. No? F. What the fuck? Come on. Oh. Is that... Force mark. MPA. I don't know. Okay, where do I go? To the bridge? Oh! Press space to jump over the gap. Okay. I can only jump when there is a gap. Okay, why not? Then jump. Jump. Too big. Space to climb. Okay. Whoa! 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 Climbing jump instantly bumps a large amount of stamina. Only when necessary. Okay. What do I do? Okay. Okay. Climbing burns stamina. If you burn too much stamina, you will fail. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. I have to go. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh. Just going to hang here. Regain my stamina. No, that's not working. Uh-oh. No. Okay, up. Uh-oh. Up, up. You have no more stamina to perform an extreme effort. When the circle becomes hurt, you will fail. What do I have to do? Oh no! Oh! Ah! I'm dead. Okay. But so you have to know. Okay, yeah, because I did a jumping climb. Okay. Don't do a jumping climb. Okay. Okay, okay. I've got this. I can do it. I know. I can maybe jump. Climb this. No, okay. Or maybe I have to go down here. No? Can I go down? No. Come on. Oh yeah, I can. Come on. Okay. Okay, I'm good. I cannot move. I cannot move my mouse. What's happening? Okay. To go faster. Okay. Come on, you have. This is easy. To drop down. Okay. Dude, I'm like a pro. This is actually a beautiful game. Yeah, I like it. That was pro, wasn't it? That was just... Okay. An ambulance? Can I go in? Medical supplies maybe? Dude, I cannot... Come on. There has to be some guns in here, right? No. For sale. Oh. Come on. And then jump. Perfect.
Looks like I'll have to climb over those arch supports.
Thanks for talking to yourself, dude. Whoever talks to himself, it's like, who does that? I don't do that. Oh yeah, I do. Crap. Yeah, I know. But okay. I have fear of heights in real life, actually. I really do. Jump. Okay, come on, dude. Drop down. Okay. climb up. I'm like a spider. I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Pig. Spider-Pig.
Do you know how to drop from here?
Oh, yeah. Well, is this game going to be only climbing? Because to be honest, that would be kinda boring. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Crap, crap. No, don't. Kinda like... Oh, fuck. You have no more stamina for my next swim. When the circle will convert, you will fail. Come on, I'm clicking. Okay, yeah, okay, I'm clicking. Like crazy man. Fuck yeah. Oh. That's not fair. Resources to recover. Okay. What do I have? I have food can and a water bottle. So I'm going to take the... Yeah, I'm going to drink water. How do I... Do I have to like equip it here? Equipment. Do I have to drag it? No. Do I have to like press E? Okay. Look at that. Nice water. Okay. But if that was me in real... Oh.
Well, it's still standing. Though Abington has seen better days.
It's still standing. Okay. Can I go in here? Is this a door? This is not a door. Okay, and now I have to climb all the way down again, I guess. Somewhere. Here, no. Can I jump? No. I have to go down this way, press space to jump on the cable. Oh my god! Oh, look at this! I'm burning my hands like a crazy fool. This is awesome! Ah! I'm like Tarzan. Okay.
No way I can drop that far.
Can I like drink this? I wanna drink this. Drink this, mother. Come on. Okay. Where do I have to go? Where do I have to go? Oops. Jump. Something. Oh, I suck. Can I like jump on here? Control to crouch. Okay, I have to go down here? No, I don't. Oh, what is this? Painkillers.